Yo, what is up guys? It's your Tech Joycey and I'm back again with another 10 video. So ngayon guys, I'll be doing the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nasa loob ng box at kung ano yung hindi nila in-include. And yeah, it's a very good unboxing experience. So stay tuned po for you to find out. I'll show it on your screen guys, my unboxing experience. It's a bit dark kasi sobrang excited na i-unbox yung phone. But anyway, check it out. Old iPhone 12 Pro Max. Ayan. It's 128GB of RAM. And ipapakita ko po sa screen nyo kung magkano. But before that, I'll just unwrap the phone. Okay. Ang ganda po ng ang ganda sa tenga ng unwrapping, right? So, go. It's very thin box, guys. Ayun! This is the gold color. So, medyo edgy na siya as compared before na. Ayan o, medyo square na yung mga edges niya, guys. Like before. Na sobrang curved. So, yeah. Yun ang mga instruction manual at yung inside is the ejection tool, SIM ejection tool at saka yung logo, Apple logo sticker. And that's it guys, yun lang nasa loob ng box. Wala na silang power brick, yung ano lang ang na-include sa box, yung wire, lightning cable, but the power brick is not included. So nakaka-disappoint kasi medyo mahal po yung phone. But anyway, yun naman po ang sinabi nila na it's not included. So, ayan, medyo mayroon siyang konting juice. So, yun lang po ang unboxing experience ko. Not too dramatic, not too nice. But anyway, the phone itself is very nice. Medyo mabigat din siya. But disappointing lang kasi wala pong power brick. So, yun yung prices niya, guys. Yung 128GB of RAM is 404 Kuwait dinar. And then, ipapakita ko yung magkano siya sa peso and dollar. Tapos, yung next nyan guys is 256GB of RAM na 12 Pro Max. It's 439.5 Kuwait dinar. And again, I'll show you the conversion in dollar and peso. And then, maximum na capacity niya guys is 512GB of RAM. So, medyo 509 Kuwait dinar. So, hindi siya ganun ka... Para-pareho sila ng ranges ng price before ng iPhone 11 Pro Max. And then next guys, mayroon po kayong mga iba pang option if you want. Ipapakita ko rin sa screen nyo kung magkano yung prices niya. So mayroon din po tayong iPhone 12 mini. Ang iPhone 12 mini guys is 249.5 Kuwait dinar, ang 64GB ang base model niya. Then 264 naman Kuwait dinar ang 128GB of RAM, and then 308.5 ang 256GB of RAM. So again, I'll show you the conversion. And then yung iPhone 12 is 269.5 yung base model niya, which is 64GB. Tapos 289.5 yung 128GB of RAM naman niya. And the maximum capacity is 329.5 and that's 256GB of RAM. And then yung iPhone 12 Pro naman guys is 384.5 ang base model niya, which is 128GB. Tapos 419.5 ang 256GB and 468.5 ang 512GB. So if you're asking guys if worth it ang price ng iPhone 12 Pro Max sa halagang nabili now, 404.5, my own opinion po, it's worth it. Kasi again, iPhone is is like on top of the line na phone. Camera wise, maganda po talaga yung A14 Bionic chip niya is very fast. Sobrang smooth ng experience mo. It's incomparable po sa Android guys, no? Sa mga iPhone lovers dyan, it's worth the price actually. Kahit nakaka-disappoint na hindi nila in-include yung power brick. But anyway, you can purchase a separate power brick na siguro makaka-discount kayo. So Mobile 2000, mas cheaper yung kanilang products as compared to Excite, Alganim. And then, kung meron kayong previous na mga power brick guys, you can also use that kasi pwede ko rin magagamit ko yung iPhone 11 Pro Max ko na power brick. So, yeah, that's all for my unboxing experience, guys. Maganda po yung phone. Very hefty. Mabigat po siya. And like what I've said, mga mabibigat na phone para sa akin is matibay po siya for me. That's, again, for my own opinion. So, yeah, that's all for now. And gagawa po ako ng in-depth review ko and gagawa rin po ako sa next video ko. I'll be doing a speed test comparison, yung Geekbench guys, kung sino yung matapos between the Note 20 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, for now, I'll be enjoying the phone and isa-scroll ko muna siya. But anyway, wala naman po masyadong drastic na changes ang iPhone unlike sa mga Android, diba? So, gamay na gamay ko na po yung iPhone. Anyway guys, thank you again for watching. I hope you like my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the notification bell. And this is again your Tech Joycey. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!